Today we come to one more data type called the dictionary in Python. And during this lecture, you will learn how to create a dictionary data type, print the content of a dictionary, sorting the lists of tuples using the dictionary. And of course, this is what we are going to do. Now, dictionaries are Python's most powerful data collection. We have already gone through lists, we have gone through tuples, and we have coming to third type of data type in Python, which is very, very important and very, very useful. Dictionaries allow us to do fast database-like operations in Python. Also, dictionaries have different names. Of course, you have come across the same concept in other subject, other language like Perl and PHP. You use associative arrays. In Java, you have got map and hash map, etc. C Sharp and .NET, you have got property bag. So these are, again, in some of the languages have this type of data type, and it is very, very special for Python and very useful in processing the data. Now, first question, what is a dictionary? So dictionaries are lists except that they use keys instead of numbers to look up values. And you know, we have done already tuples, we have done lists, and there we know the index starts from 0 to whatever number it is, nth number. And we access the data from these indexes. But here, dictionaries, you have keys and values. So if you know the key, you can get the values. Let us see what it is. So for example, here key is here, names are there, and corresponding values. Maybe this is the age of this person is 60, 28, Arman 19, Sudhir 34, etc. So these are key value system. So for example, how do you create a dictionary? So you just said dict, like list we did. So EMP is equal to DICT dictionary. So then what you do is you create an empty dictionary, and then you say Denzel with emp within brackets within inverted commas. Denzel you insert 60. Here you insert 28. Here 19. Here 34. This is what we are doing. So these are the keys and these are the values. Suppose that then I say print emp. What does it do? As you see, it prints the dictionary and you have got the key value, comma, everything is separated. In the list also we had data items separated from each other. But the difference here is that you have a set here of key value separated by colon separated, and so this is therefore a dictionary data type. So how to create dictionaries? First way is, as we have done just now, by assigning key value sets separated by comma. So you can directly do that, key value, comma, etc. This is one way of creating a dictionary called students. So print students, automatically it will print you the same content as it is given. Okay. Now, secondly, by creating an empty dictionary, as I showed you just now, then assigning values to the keys as, for example, here, created students, an empty dictionary. You can also say DICT within brackets, and then print students. So then it prints no students at the moment. Then you say students, Sudhir 34, Harsh 18, Hamza 19, and you print students automatically. As you see, it prints here as it is here, prints the content of this dictionary called students. So these are two ways of creating a dictionary. Again, we come to printing the content of the dictionary. We have already seen one way. Let us see. So first way, emp is there. This is the employee. This is the dictionary with key values. So you say print employee, automatically it prints the content of this dictionary. That is one way of doing. Just now, second way of doing is I use for loop as we have done. So for, in this case, I get a tuple here, name, comma, age from emp dot items. So these are the items. This is I first item, second item, third item, fourth item. So from this fourth item, every time, so I say for, it assigns the name to name and age to age. And then I can print one after the other. As you see here, it will print Denzel 60, Sharon 88, Arman 19, Sudhir 34. So that is how we do. Now print keys. So this is one. If you want to find out which are the keys, these are the keys. It can print only the keys. As you see, dictionary keys. It prints the dictionary keys. So you can print also employee dot values. It will give you dict values. That is 60, 28, 19, 34. So this is also, you can print the keys, and you can also print the values, corresponding values in the dictionary. Comparing lists and dictionaries. So dictionaries are like lists, except that they use keys instead of numbers to look up values. As you see, for example, we take this list. We created a list, empty list. I append 20. I append 45. I append 50. I append 25. And then it's a print list. Automatically prints the list here, as you see, within square brackets. So let us see now. So I create an empty dictionary of EMP employees. Then I assign value to this key. So 28 to Sharon, 19 to Arman, and 34 to Sudhir. And print emp, and immediately it prints the content of my dictionary. As you see here, you have got the curly brackets here. Here you have got square brackets. So this is list, and this is a dictionary. So you see the comparison between these two, how to assign values. In the case of list, I use the append method, which comes along with this list data type. Here I assign to each of these keys the corresponding values. Again, as you see here, append, yeah. So print list, it will print this. Again, I'm showing you. As you see there, here key is index 0, 1, 2, 3, whereas in dictionary keys are some words, or you may have also numbers. So as you see here, so it is, so list, now I want to change here. List 2 is equal to 75. Automatically it is changed here. So in other words, you have learnt already, lists are mutable. So I can change this value. I can assign some other values. So then print list, and it prints with the changed value. Let us see. So thank you. Thank you.